Pussies.
Ever since I started preparing for Kids' Choice, my allergies have been... Guys, I'm gonna need a couple tissues.
Introducing the new Nick app.
This app is so fun, it's uncomfortable.
It's jam-packed with radical awesomeness.
I've been in here since Thursday. I'm starting to prune.
Check it out at nick.com/app.